Welcome everybody, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates. It's Christmas Eve, and I thought instead of giving a tutorial, I know you guys are probably going to be busy with your families, I'm just going to give you a simple video of some trains running. So without further ado, here is some videos of trains running around my layout. Merry Christmas everybody, and have a Happy New Year. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to watch my next video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell icon. Until next time, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading.